YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Ken Curtis back to another video. So on here we're gonna do a mid tape with the fro on top. We're gonna sponge that top. So first you wanna get the, combing in the hair. See what you're gonna work with. Now I'm going my 1.5 guard and I'm going with the grain. Just to knock that canvas down. Now I'm using my 1.5 to go get against the grain. Still knocking some of that hair down before I start fading. Now let's get into it. First guideline, trimmers. Bottom the bottom of that fade out. Now all the way open, and I'm going up 1 inch. Now I'm going halfway, getting out that bottom line. Now I'm going all the way close, knocking at that bottom line. Now here I'm using my 0.5 guard, and I'm going up by 1/2 inch. Now I'm going halfway, going up about another 1/2 inch. Now I got them all the way open, but I'm kind of using just the corner of that blade because I don't want to push that line up any further. Kind of like cleaning it up. Don't forget to comb the hair down after you get done fading it, so you can see what you done cut. Now I got the 0.5 guard and I'm going with the grain, kind of like knocking it down before I line it up. On the top I use 1.5 because I want it to be safe, just to see how much it was gonna knock off. Now I got my faders all the way open, cleaning up that taper. Now we're gonna start the C cups, one of my favorite parts. Let's get started on that vertical bar. Now normally I start from the middle and work my way to the side, but I'm starting from the side, working my way to the middle. Kind of because I already been cut his hair before, so I kind of know how his lineup is. But if you're a beginner, I say it's best to start from the middle and work your way to the side just to see, what you're working with and if you need to lighten one side up or anything. So right here I'm using my pencil. And of course, using my edges to blend in that pencil. I'm hitting that back taper line. I'm only showing y'all one side at a time because I'm doing the same thing on each side, so kind of shorten the video up. I know y'all don't like watching long videos, so yo. And this is before the enhancements. He want enhancements, so I'm putting enhancements on him. This is after the enhancements. This is before the razor. This is my hair product. It's a foaming mousse. I put it on the hair before I curl it with the sponge. And this is the after effect. Y'all let me know how I did. Rate the cut 1 out of 10. Drop in the comments what y'all want to see next. Like, comment, subscribe, send it to a barber friend. Appreciate y'all.